Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create diagrams in Draw.io in 2026. If you want to build flowcharts, mind maps, process diagrams, or technical drawings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open Draw.io and choose where you'd like to save your diagram. You can select local storage, cloud storage, or another available option. Next, click Create New Diagram and choose a blank diagram or start with one of the available templates. Now enter a name for your diagram and click Create to open the editing workspace. Next, use the Shapes panel on the left side to drag and drop shapes onto the canvas. These shapes will form the structure of your diagram. Now double-click any shape to add text and customize it with labels, titles, or descriptions. Next, connect shapes using connector lines to show relationships, processes, or workflows between elements. Now adjust the size, position, and layout of your shapes to keep the diagram organized and easy to understand. If needed, customize colors, borders, fonts, and styles to make your diagram more professional and visually appealing. Next, zoom in or out to review the entire diagram and make sure everything is connected correctly. Finally, save your work and export the diagram as a PDF, PNG, SVG, or another format if you need to share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create diagrams in Draw.io. You can now build clear and professional diagrams for work, school, or personal projects. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.